Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market, and that's the intraday futures contract on the E-mini S&P 500. And kind of a quiet week. This is a holiday shortened weekend. Of course, yesterday was Christmas. Today was a close of 869.75. Had kind of a double top action, trying to get above the 870 level in the futures markets, but just really thin volume today. Nobody, definitely the B teams at the helm today, saying, with instructions to just keep her steady, and that's where the market was. Finished up about 5 points on the day. Um, a bit of choppiness was the ride on Tuesday. Had the nice little trail higher continuation move on Monday. This was Tuesday, full session, two full sessions preceding the holiday shortened session going into the Christmas holiday. And very choppy was the day on Tuesday. Had a gap open higher and then just broke below the trend. What was suggesting that? Well, we're still bearish, although we did have some divergences here. It really wasn't to be. We saw accelerating bearishness here, bearishness there, broke below the trend. That would suggest a move lower, continuation move lower, which we ultimately did see down to the level of 855.75 was low on that day, and we've really tried to hold that level. Simply a retest of the prior day's low was Monday, and we'll see where the market goes on Monday, but right now we do remain officially bullish. We'll look at that in a second on a daily perspective, but intraday, these are dynamics. You really can't tell much from the last two sessions, but we are getting a slow, we'll say a bias to the upside in terms of bullish here, a little bit of bearishness there, not too much indication, and bullishness there. So really just a choppy market. Definitely want to keep it close to the vest if in fact you are trading. Uh, Most are not, and we'll just go ahead and pull up the chart of the daily. Not really too much going on in the markets. We'll just close that, and well, we'll look at this for a second. Not really too much going on. Nice little winner in EMD System 2.0, 525 down to 505, about $2,000 a contract. Right back in a winner we are. Looking at the Evo, beautiful winner was that. Around 465, we'll call it to about 480 just the other day. Actually, that was last week. Another little winner. Not too much trading going on. Dow Day Trader putting up a nice winner about 4 days ago. Very nice winner on Monday before that big surge back higher to the upside. ES Day Trader 1.0 putting on an even larger winner on the same day, catching the short side. About neutral ever since then. S&P Day Trader 1.0 putting in a nice little gain. It was today. Russell Day Trader 1.0, beautiful gain again on Tuesday, but chopping around since then. So not really all that much going on in terms of the market, as you can see. So we're just going to pull up the chart of the daily, and we move to bullish at right on this bar right here, right around 889. Where's the market right now? 872. This is the cash market, of course, and so that's where we remain. Not really much to report there. We do still have this ascending wedge, ascending triangle, which is certainly bullish for the market. We have broken below the short-term measure of trend. Around 872.80, the measure of trend coming in at 876.88. Definitely want to hold above that. We'll see where we go. This is not looking too good, with a double top right there and potential triple top coming in around the 900 level in the S&P. So we definitely need to bust above that. This course being repelled from our key measure of intermediate term trend following support resistance, which remains on the bearish side of the equation, and back to short-term neutral. And of course, these are traditional biases, indications. Short-term neutrality, this should read for our momentum. Short-term neutrality from a directional movement perspective. Intermediate term neutral and intermediate term neutral, this should read as well. So we didn't change those, but certainly we are remaining officially bullish, taking advantage of this huge move lower. We definitely called, one would argue, the bottom, essentially, with adding to exposure indication on this two-bar key reversal buy setup that we've mentioned at 800.03. So that's the cash market. Definitely wanted to add the positions on 800.03. So you're 72 points in the plus side there. We're about neutral on our official market timing buys after clocking, I don't know, about 150 points. Was it 1376 down to 899? So about 500 points in the S&P cash. was our call on the discretionary bias, official market timing, and we're holding there. So we've got a little room to wiggle, but we're going to go ahead and look over. That's where we are. But look at some of our portfolios. Whereas the MiniAnalyst is auto trading, full automation advisory management company, and providing forex as well, not just futures and options, but forex. Here's our venerable MAFX Lite portfolio, really just on a tear lately, busting 400% gain in just 15 days. There you can see another $2,372 today on December 26th, Friday, just eclipsing the 400% mark for this very aggressive, just a minimum of $10,000, very aggressive portfolio trades. As you can see, one lot by each of our Forex strategies across these 5 pair. So if you want the MAFX, you can of course trade 5 lots across these pair. But there you go, very impressive has been the gains with the highest game coming on December 17th. Very good day. $12,444 was the gain there, but just really meteoric rises, meteoric gains of $40,000 on a $10,000 portfolio in just 15 days. So you can see, definitely want to have some exposure at least to this portfolio. Wherever our futures portfolio has been, just kind of choppy. Monday, nice little gains across the board. The standout was the MAP DT up 15%. $2,900 was the MAP DT. This, of course, the original. Tuesday, kind of choppy. Couple portfolios didn't trade. Dual day trader. A lot of our day traders didn't trade Tuesday or Wednesday, actually. And then today, nice little gains, about 5%, 3 to 4%. We should say an average, probably 3% on the gains today. So just kind of holding our ground. 300% gain for the MAP Black over the last 100 or so days. Around 600% for our MAP DT, and dual day traders continuing to lead the pack. But we did want to make mention to you guys that it is that time of year for our annual Double Your Money sales event. Yeah, another year has already gone by. And so if you guys are interested in partaking in this special that we have every year, last week of the year, to double your money, what that means is essentially when you go to the website, MiniAnalyst.com, and just go ahead and click on 2008 Portfolio Returns, that'll bring you to this page, 2008 Portfolio Returns. You can essentially, what we'll do is we'll double your money if you subscribe to 2 units of any of these portfolios, any of our portfolios here. Matte Black version 2.0, Matte Black, couple of preferences here are the Black 2.0, 715% return. These are our quick snapshots, 715% return. Reward to risk ratio of 25.52. Definitely our favorite $100,000 portfolio. So if you were to be interested in subscribing to the Matte Black version 2.0, just click on that, and what you'll do is, if it'll come up, click add to cart, and coupon code double is not valid. Well, we haven't added anything yet, so why don't you go ahead and just take us to our cart. There we are. We'll go ahead and put 4. So what happens is if you buy 4 quarters an entire year, then you'll get, we'll recalculate that, $16,000, and you'll save. Enter coupon code double, DOUBLE, and apply that. And what you do is you get 2 free. So we cut your price in half. So you buy 2 quarters, you get 2 free. You essentially get the whole year for half off, a 50% discount. We do this every year, very popular sale. So we definitely recommend, if you are interested in this, go ahead and get in early, not waiting till December 31st, because we may have to close some of the portfolios due to volume constraints. But that's all you have to do is enter any of these portfolios. Now, of course, our preference would be the Matte Black 2.0 for a $100,000 portfolio. Swinger DT 3.0, definitely 1,400% gain on just a max drawdown of 52%, average of minus 13%, 26 reward to risk ratio. And of course, our day traders, as always, are our favorites. And there they are. Just go ahead and enter promo code double after you've entered quantity of 4. And hope you guys are having a great week, and we will see you next time.